My experience in the industry was 10 years working at a place called Bayou City Pump, and then 2 years working at another pump shop named Rural Pumping.
I got a nuclear background, nuclear and regular, high energy pumps. We work on the same kind of pumps. On the chemical and oil field, it's a little different.
We are the best. It's all about communication. The more you talk to your customer, the more you spread the information, just all better.
The team here does an excellent job. Everybody works together. Improve efficiency, that's what you always want. You want to ship a good product, expect good results in a good time frame. That's the goal.
The projects we handled here are gearbox services, pump rebuilds, pump assemblies, service work, pretty much wide open. You don't know what you're going to get. That's what makes it exciting.
We have a great team, great support team. We're always looking to innovate. Our engineers are always looking for a better way to better our product, increase productivity, and put out a quality product.
ERL always the best. Every time there's a problem, we get it done quickly in a timely manner and everything's done right.
I try to go the extra mile to make sure, not to take any shortcuts. Try to just avoid all that and do it right the first time.
I take a lot of pride in everything that I do. There's craftsmen and then there's quality craftsmen. And I'm a quality craftsman. I like a job to visually look good as well as perform properly.